2 colors Mercerized cotton thread, 0.9 millimeters crochet hook, 15 pieces 6 millimeters beads, 2 earring hooks and 2 jump rings, and pliers. Let's begin by placing all the beads through the color 1 thread. Now, make a loop by tying both ends of the thread. Make sure it's not too tight as we will work on each middle spaces of the beads. Now, connect the hook using a SC like this. Chain 1, then make 1 SC in the middle of the following 2 beads. Chain 1, then 1 SC in the middle of 2nd and 3rd beads.
Continue chain 1 and 1 SC on all the remaining beads.
Slip stitch on the beginning to close. Chain 2. Let's work on the SC spaces. Skip 1 SC space, then slip stitch or SS on the next. Then continue, chain 2 plus SS on all SC spaces. This is a total of 13 chain 2 sets. Then fasten off to close and cut the thread to change color for the petals.
Connect the other thread on the spot we ended the first thread, like this.
Make 1 SC on the first chain 2 space. Chain 3, and make 1 treble crochet or TC in the middle space of 1st and 2nd. Chain 2 sets. Chain 3, then SS on the 2nd chain 2 space. This is the foundation of our first petal. Chain 1. Then 1 SC on the next chain 2 space. Do it again. Chain 3 plus 1 TC in the middle plus chain 3 plus SS on the next chain 2. Then just repeat the process until you make 7 petal foundations. Chain 1 plus 1 SC plus chain 3 plus 1 TC plus chain 3 plus SS. Chain 1 at the end. Let's work on the first petal foundation. Make 3 SC on the first 3 chains. Now, on the tip of the treble crochet or TC, make 1 SC, 1 DC, 1 DC, and 1 SC. Then make 3 SC on the second 3 chains to finish the first petal. SS on the bottom space and chain 1. For other remaining petals, just repeat what was done on the first petal. That's 3 SC plus 1 SC, 1 DC, 1 TC, 1 DC, 1 SC plus 3 SC, SS, and chain 1. Lastly, remove and clean all the end threads and connect the hooks. And we are done. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.